roll. Okay, 9 points para dito kay Ron J. Buenafe, but still on a commanding 11-point lead. Take a look at the scorers of Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Led, of course, by their big two, Raymundo at James Yap.
Nakaagaw dito ang Coca-Cola Tigers. Here's Buenafe at the stop. Cabagnot goes inside. Supalpal ang inabot kay Romel Aducol. Tapigan ng bola napunta kay Roger Yap. And isip, kinapitan na lang. Itong si Roger Yap to prevent the fast break play. And Alipig striking in the ball game, pero he has to wait dahil itong Pure Foods TJ Giants calls a timeout, but they are still ahead. 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Lamang po Pure Foods 86-75. Players coming off the bench. Talagang minsan nga, yun pa yung nagpo-provide ng spark para dito sa TJ Giants. Roger Yap na yun. Humihit. Nakita si Kirby Raymundo. And he will miss. Pero another chance courtesy of Romel Aducol.
Yun ang hindi na-solve ng Coca-Cola, Richard, yung offensive rebounding itong Pure Foods.
Ito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Natin sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag. Bawas sa tubig. Cabagnot against Raymundo. Kicks it out. Ron J. Buenafe. Bang! Ang TM na yun ay atin sa inyo ni Ron J. Buenafe.
Pwede pa.
Pwede, oo. 12 points para dito kay Ron J.
But they have to put more pressure on the ball para magmadali itong Pure Foods. Pero kita naman natin, sanay na sanay sa ganitong sitwasyon.
Ito naman, Kirby Raymundo, top of the key jumper, no good. At ito, Mark Pingris at ito si Cesar Catli, Pingris holding on to his neck area.
Pingris,
flagrant foul, penalty 1 against Mark Pingris.
Losing his cool. Sabi nga natin, inis talo.
Well, oo, till the end game ba? Itong Pure Foods, hindi pa sigurado dito, mas lalo na. Pagka masuk itong dalawa ni Cesar Catli, only a 7-point lead, could be 6, tapos sa kanila pa bola. 2-possession ball game mangyayari, ang haba pa ng oras dito.
Unfortunately, nag-miss yung pangalawang free throw.
And a 30-second timeout ang tinawag dito ng Coca-Cola Tigers dahil nga this will be a big possession para sa Coca-Cola Tigers, no? If they convert on this one, magiging 2-possession ball game na lang. 1 minute and 28. Anything can still happen. Ang tanong, kanino sila pupunta? Walang John Arrigo. Ito na bang Coca-Cola Tigers ang magiging giant Terminators? Aba, titingnan natin and we will find out in the last minute and 28 seconds of the ball game.
Si Alipig nandito but he's been struggling all game dito sa poste.
Ito, Buenafe against Mark Pingris. Buenafe, one-on-one. Buenafe makes the move. Buenafe, left-handed layup is good. Wow. Big-time shot for this rookie. A lot of confidence binigay ni Coach Binky Favis dito kay Ron J. Buenafe.
They set him up para dun sa isolation sa gitna.
Ayan.
Then, kita natin, crossover, tapos kinaliwa.
Iniwasan yung help defense ni Romel Aducol. Difficult shot para dito kay Ron J. Buenafe. Pero kaya naman marami talaga nabibilip dito sa rookie ng Coca-Cola Tigers. Not afraid to take the big shots at the end game.
At 14 na na-score nito si Buenafe right at his average.
Okay, ito naman, 21 points against the 7 of Ali. Pero di nagkakalayo sa rebounding. Pero tandaan niyo po, Ali Pique, 3 minutes lang nilaro nung first half. Oo.
And Coca-Cola needing to get a stop here, Richard. Wala silang choice.
Actually don't need to foul. Good defense lang dito. Plus, get the rebound. Yung nagiging problema dito ng Coke. Peter Jun Simon, almost the same looking layup as Ron J. Buenafe. Pero ito, Kuha nga ng stop dito ang Coca-Cola Tigers. Cabagnot. Given a screen by Talan. Cabagnot continues with his dribble. Cabagnot inside to Mark Talan. Oh. Mark Talan is fouled. Cabagnot limping after that play, pero nilakad lang niya. He seems to be okay.
Oh, another excellent pass, Richard.
Oo.
Sampung assist na ito si
Grabe, si
Ulwit.
Alex Cabagnot.
Oo.
No? If Mark makes this, yes, all net. So down to a 4-point lead. Under a minute remaining. Ayan po, talagang everybody is intently watching from both benches. Yung free throw ni Mark Talan. 2 for 2 para dito kay Mark Talan. Forcing the hand of Coach Ryan Gregorio to call a 30-second timeout. Dahil ito nga, one possession na lang ang namamagitan between Pure Foods and the Coca-Cola Tigers. Coca-Cola Tigers hanging yung mga bagong features na ABC Sports right before the first game. Ito ngayon, James Yap. James Yap goes baseline. James Yap, sidestepping move. Wala. Napika ng bola. Nagkakagawan si Ali Pic at James Yap. And we have a jump ball. Okay, sayang yung layup na yun ni James Yap. Nangihinaya siya.
Pa-side view no? Yung tira.
Oo.
And, Coca-Cola, hindi lang nakuha yung rebound. But still, lamang sila dito sa jump ball situation na ito.
And kita niyo naman kung gaano ka-importante itong jump ball na to. Roger Yap at Cesar Catley. Wala pang iniitsang bola nagkakatulakan na. Importante talaga posisyonan dito.
Iskisan, ano?
Oo.
Nangyari doon.
Ito na. And Telan gets it. Coca-Cola Tigers can tie this ball game with a 3-point basket. Cabagnot shoots a 3. Bang! Ang game na yun ay hatid sa inyo ni Alex Cabagnot using the glass.
Grabe yun, Richard. Sinasadya ba yun ni Alex Cabagnot?
Well, whether sinasadya o hindi, they will take it. And the Pure Foods TJ Giants calls a timeout. And all of a sudden, mga kaibigan, ito si Alex Cabagnot providing the big game heroics dito sa end game.
Diretso.
Oh. From another angle, Alex Cabagnot banking it off. 3-point basket, and more importantly, tinablan na po ni Alex Cabagnot itong laban at 8